In the last session, we have seen about how the serial in parallel out shift register works. In today's session, we will see the working of parallel in serial out shift register. Okay, here now construction wise, you just draw 4 flip-flops because we are going to input the 4-bit binary data and number it D0, Q0, D1, Q1, D2, Q2, D3 and Q3. Okay, once this is done with, draw the clock pulse for all. Once this is done with, just draw 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate setup, which is going to be fed as the input for D1, D2 and D3. For the D1 input, you give it directly. Okay, so this X0, X1, X2 and X3 are going to be the inputs. Now here we are going to use a special signal called as shift bar load signal, in which one I am going to give it through a NOT gate and the other one it is going to be given to the through the normal output, and this is going to be a complemented output. Okay, now what you are going to do after drawing these two lines, what you are going to do from the gate, so I have written like this G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. So in this case, the last AND gate of each setup you mark it as X1, X2, X3. So the inputs have been drawn. Okay, now what is the connection which is left out is, so from the blue line, that is from the which is passing through the NOT gate, drop the line for G1, G2 and G3. So now this AND gate connection is over. Now you come for your G4, G5 and G6. For G4, G5 and G6, you give one from the output of the previous flip-flop. The other output you give it from the normal output, you tap it from the normal output. Okay, once this setup is done with, the construction is finished. So what is our concept? You have to input the data parallelly and you have to serially output it. Okay, so now for this shift bar load signal is to be 0 for entering all the data parallelly. So this value to be 0 for the data to be entered parallelly. In this case, whenever I am going to keep my shift bar load signal as 0, G1, G2, G3 gates are going to be enabled, whereas other gates G4, G5, G6 will be disabled. Now let us see the operation. So whenever I am going to give this signal is going to be 0, what happens? So this place it will become 1. Okay, whereas this 0 will pass on to the G4, G5 and G6. When this 0 passes on to this G4, G5 and G6 will be disabled. Whereas when this 1 passes here, G1, G2, G3, G1, G2 and G3 will be enabled. So when my shift bar load signal is low, G1, G2, G3 is going to be enabled. What does it tell about? It is nothing but, so during my, that is whenever I want to input my data, these 3 gates are disabled, whereas G1, G2, G3 are enabled. That means whatever first data is going to be fed directly, whereas if I am going to consider the other data X1, X2 and X3, the other input is going to be, the other input for your X1 gate, X2 gate and X3 gate, it is going to be 1. Okay, what is the function of the AND gate? If you are going to do 1 with any input number, then it is going to give the output. So one input is going to be 1, the other input is going to be fed X1, X2, X3. So the inputs are going to be fed to the flip-flop parallelly. Okay, because this gate is going to be 0, this is going to be OR gate, so this is just going to do the addition of it. So whenever my shift bar load signal is low, G1, G2, G3 gates are going to be enabled and G4, G5, G6 gates are going to be disabled. So in this case, my inputs are going to be directly fed to the flip-flop because the other input is 1 as per this shift bar load signal. So now this parallel input is condition is over. Now we will see the other condition, 1 and 0. So in this case, what will happen when I give 0 to this? So this gate and G1, G2, G3 will be disabled, whereas G4, G5 and G6 will be enabled. So in this case, what happens? So this 0 goes and disables it, whereas this 1 comes here. So 1 with the input, you have this G4, G5 and G6 being enabled. The other 3 gates are disabled. So only G4, G5, G6 is enabled. Now what happens? The data has been entered parallelly, but it has to be shifted out serially. So in this case, what you have to do, when these three gates are going to be there, that is, it is on the enable condition, the data is already entered in the flip-flop. It has to be outputted serially. So how it will be outputted? If you could see, so the data which is stored as output here, it will pass through like this and it will be coming out serially. The data are entered parallelly. During my shift bar load signal is 1, G4, G5, G6 are going to be enabled. So the data which is outputted from this, so it just follows a serial path through G4, G5, G6 and it is peeped out. So thus this finishes the function of your SO. So it is PI SO register, parallel in and serial out register. Thank you. In the next session, we will be seeing about parallel in, parallel out shift register. Thank you.